Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the settings you need to create a vertical video within DaVinci Resolve that you can use for any social media platform. There are obviously ways to do this by shortcuts, but I'm going to show the most visual way to go about this. So I'm in the editing section and I'm also in the media pool. Go ahead and right click a blank area. From the drop down menu, go ahead and select timelines and then create new timeline. At the bottom left here, unselect use project settings. Go back to the top, select format, and then under timeline resolution, make sure that it is 1920 by 1080. This is the most common resolution for social media platforms. Here, select use vertical resolution. Select create. Once you've created the timeline, you can resume editing as normally. The last thing you'll need to know is when you're exporting the video. So head over to the deliver section, and at the bottom here under resolution, you're going to see a box that says use vertical resolution. Go ahead and select that and then resume as normal with exporting your video. And those are all of the settings you need to know when it comes to creating a vertical video within DaVinci Resolve.